Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am MamaLee, and in this video I want to teach my son how to do addition, and I have already started the teaching actually, but then I just felt like it will be of help because it was kind of easy. I saw the way he was going along with it, so I noticed that it will be of help to another child or to another parent out there who will be also struggling with it. So let's just see the way I went through with the whole thing, and it might be easy. It will be easy for you. If it is a technique that you think you can adapt, fine. Okay, so I'll mount the camera here. Let's see. Yes. Okay, we'll set it up there. Yes. Okay, so wait. My face is not showing in the camera. It's supposed to show. So
Do up like my own.
wait, Joe.
Cannot see my. I say good job.
It's still not showing. Wait.
You cannot see.
Okay. Come. Let's see here. Well, it doesn't need to show. What's more important is this one. Oh, yeah. Okay, so the first thing I taught him to do was to count. Firstly, I made him count every of this block. You see, our building block has become very useful. We're using it now to learn. Okay, so no, don't build. Okay, now, first of all, I taught him how to count everything here. So now let's count. How to count, like when you're doing math solution, you count to shift them apart. All right, so now count the way I taught you how to count. Count everything here. Let's go. One to go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Good.
11,
Mm-hmm.
12,
Mm-hmm.
13,
Mm-hmm.
14,
Mm-hmm. 15.
15,
Mm-hmm. 16.
16,
Mm-hmm.
17,
Mm-hmm.
18,
Mm-hmm.
19,
Mm-hmm.
20,
Mm-hmm.
21,
Mm-hmm.
22,
Mm-hmm.
23,
Mm-hmm.
24,
Mm-hmm.
25,
Mm-hmm.
26,
Mm-hmm.
27,
Mm-hmm.
28,
Mm-hmm.
29,
Mm-hmm.
30,
30
31,
is 31. Mm-hmm.
32,
Mm-hmm.
33,
Mm-hmm.
34,
So how many building blocks do we have?
34.
Clap for yourself.
As the best, as the best for me.
Okay, so these are all your 34 building blocks.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next thing is, see this sign? Listen, so now this sign here is a plus sign. It's a plus sign.
Plus sign.
When you see this sign, it means putting everything together.
You don't put this one together.
Wait, no. This sign means you put all this one and this one together.
Yeah.
Whenever you see this sign, what sign is this?
A plus sign.
Good boy. This is a plus sign. So when you see a plus sign, it means putting everything good, everything together. Okay, so now you have one number. So you see, this is one number.
Yes.
And then this is another number.
Yes.
And then there's the plus sign. So which means you're putting everything
together.
Good. So now you have to, this is 5. Say 5.
5.
So count 5. Let me see.
1,
Mm-hmm.
2,
Mm-hmm.
3,
Mm-hmm.
4,
Mm-hmm.
5.
Good. That's 5. Where were you going with that one again now? I say count 5. You want to count another thing. Count 5. Don't stress me.
1,
Mm-hmm.
2,
Mm-hmm.
3,
Mm-hmm.
4,
Mm-hmm.
5.
So that's 5. Count. That's 5. Say 5.
5.
So now shift it to one side. Put it in one side. Good. This is it. One side. Now this one is what? What number is this?
Number 3.
3. Now count 3.
1,
Mm-hmm.
2,
Mm-hmm.
3.
Good. That's 3. What sign is this?
A plus sign.
A plus sign. And I mean, when you see plus sign, you mean putting everything together.
Okay.
So now you have put it together. Now count it all.
1,
Count it where I taught you. You have to separate it when counting.
1,
Mm-hmm.
2,
Mm-hmm.
3,
Mm-hmm.
4,
Mm-hmm.
5,
Mm-hmm.
6,
Mm-hmm.
7,
Mm-hmm.
8.
So how many is that?
8.
Which means 5 plus 3 is?
8.
Good boy. Clap for yourself.
It's the best and the best for my mommy.
It's for your mommy, really? Oh, yeah. So now you see, 5 plus 3 equals 8.
8.
Where is? Oh, sorry. I circle 8. Circle the 8 that is there.
8.
5 plus 3 is 8. You counted it, so
Yes.
circle 8.
Yeah.
Look at 8. Don't write it. Circle it. See, there's 8 there now. They say you should circle it. See 8. Are you not seeing 8? So circle the 8. You gave me stress here. We'll do the next one without stress. So now this is, what number is this?
Number 4.
Now count 4. Put all this together. Count 4.
1,
Mm-hmm.
2,
Mm-hmm.
3,
Mm-hmm.
4,
Good. And now this is what?
2.
Now this is 2. So count another 2. Not from here. Good. You keep it one side. Count 2.
1, 2.
Good. So this 4 plus 2 means put everything together. Put the 4 and the 2 together. Now count it. Let's see the answer.
1,
Count it the way I taught you how to count.
1,
Mm-hmm.
2,
Mm-hmm.
3,
Mm-hmm.
4,
Mm-hmm.
5,
Mm-hmm.
6.
So how many is that?
6.
So 4 plus 2 equals?
6.
Good. Now come on. Where is 6? Hold this pencil. Choose 6 there. Look at 4 plus 2 is 6. So where is 6? Circle 6. Good boy. You did this one without stress. Alright, so what number is this?
Number 2.
Now count 2. Give me the pencil. Shift it. Put it all together. We're doing another one. Count 2.
1,
Mm-hmm.
2.
Good. Now plus 2. Count another 2. This is 2 plus 2. You have done the first 2. Now count the second 2.
1
Mm-hmm.
and 2.
Okay, now put it all together because of the sign. Good boy. You're getting it fast. Now put it all together. Count.
1,
Mm-hmm.
2,
Mm-hmm.
3,
Mm-hmm.
4.
Clap for yourself.
It's the best and the best is for me.
Good. So that's 4. So where is the answer there? 2 plus 2 is?
4.
Good. Now circle 4. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. All right. So now let's continue from where we stopped the last time before we started the video. So it was kind of very easy for me, and that's why I just said, okay, let me do this video. It could help somebody else. So now this is?
5.
Were you going to say teddy bear? This is what?
5.
Good. Now count 5.
Okay.
Count 5. First of all, you should count 5.
1,
Mm-hmm.
2,
Mm-hmm.
3,
Mm-hmm.
4,
Mm-hmm.
5.
Good. That is
5.
And then what is this? What number is this? This is another thing to teach.
0.
0 means nothing. 0 means?
Nothing.
0 means what?
Nothing.
So now they said 5 plus 0, which means 5 plus nothing. There's nothing here, Abby?
Yeah.
So now there's nothing to add here. So add all the 5 together. Count it, let's see. When you add nothing, how many is left? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So you see 5 plus nothing is
5.
good. 5 plus nothing is still 5.
5.
Good. So come and write 5 here.
Okay.
Write 5 here. Yeah, and what's that? You didn't cover it well. That's not how to write 5. Okay, let me see. Okay, you did. It's because I'm upside down. Okay, so now this is
5.
Oh yeah, count another 5. Let's do it again.
1,
Mm-hmm.
2,
Mm-hmm.
3,
Mm-hmm.
4,
Mm-hmm.
5.
Good. Now 5 plus
1.
Okay, 5 plus 1 is what? Now count another 1 somewhere else. Good. You shift it one side and then count.
1.
Good. Now put it 5 and 1 all together. Put it all together. Good boy. Now count. What is there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. All right, 6 here.
Don't write 6.
Good boy. Clap for yourself.
It's the best, and the best is for my mommy.
It's for yourself. You're supposed to clap for yourself, not me. You've answered here and here. So you're done. No?
Yes.
We finished. Okay, so it was very, very easy. Let's see here. Let me increase the length of this stand so that my face will shall enter.
Your face is not in there. Yes.
So our very first step was
Yes.
first of all counting, learning how to count. The child already should have already known numbers. So Liam already knows his numbers very well. So all we needed to do was
Yes, I know my mobile.
yeah, you know your numbers. You're still missing your tens. After 20, he doesn't know that after the 20s, the next thing should be 30. The next thing should be 40. You have to remind him he's still in that process. But anyways, now we started addition. So so first of all, you learn how to count, putting everything aside the way he counts, putting it all, shifting it away from each other, not just pointing. That's one. And then the next step was knowing what addition is, where you have to put everything together. It's just addition we are doing today. So how to put everything together, that's all. And then the next step was knowing how to now count two different numbers, like you count 2 building blocks and then you count 3. I'm using building blocks. It could be anything, but it's necessary to use something. Some people use fingers, but we just have 10 fingers. So it's good to have, when I was younger in Nigeria, we used to use cover bottles. So it could be anything, a lot of things, so that you can count up to like 20, up to 30, whatever is given, whatever solution you're given to solve, you'll be able to solve with the number of objects that you're using. You get. So he learned how to count them all together, and then how to separately count different numbers. So you can count like 3, you keep aside, you count another 2, just put them in different places. And then also after that, you know how to put them all together, because now they understand what the addition sign is. It's a process, and it's slowly you introduce it to the child, and they will know, they will adapt to it, and it will stick into their head. So it's kind of easy for Liam has always been a child who is in love with numbers. He learned his numbers even before he learned alphabet. Ah. But anyways, that is that, and I hope it's going to help you. This little step-by-step process, I hope it's going to help with your own child. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in our next video. Bye bye. Now you're building with your blocks. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, let's end it here.